fellow design lovers. I'm Giselle of Giselle Loves Design. I started this YouTube channel because I love interior design. I love to decorate my home, and I especially love to decorate through the seasons. My love for design blossomed from an extension through my educational background in art history, art studio, and then later on, interior design. I worked as a fine artist here in Los Angeles doing private commissions and portraits for major record labels using airbrush and mixed media materials. I even worked for this major record label as their first urban marketing rep for a few years on the West Coast. This opened up a new world of meeting creative and talented people from all over the world and the tools to create beautiful things. As things happen in life, my design career didn't quite get started as I thought it would in the traditional ways. And my most recent jobs just were not fulfilling my creative desires. But it was still in my mind to have a life that was focused and influenced by interior design in some way. So after a long period of doubting myself and asking, well, what if I fail? What if no one watches? What if someone says something bad? Is this the right time? And all of the other excuses for me not to start something. So I made a plan. So I started my YouTube channel to fulfill my dream of sharing and creating my love of design, and I'm so glad that I did. And here I am talking to all of you who I believe are fellow design lovers too. I believe you should love where you live. You don't have to live in your dream home to live in a beautiful and functional space. So on this channel, I'm sharing how I decorate my apartment on a budget with beautiful ideas that I find from shopping trips, design events, interior designers, books, lots and lots of books, and even other design-loving YouTubers. So come on this journey with me and discover something new with each video by subscribing and hitting that notification button. I'd love for you to become a part of this design community too. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to check out all of the playlists on my channel.